traders. Just want to give you an update on all the commodity market. I'm going to start with natural gas. I will check oil, gold, and silver. So let's start with our favorite commodity, natural gas, first. So after we had a good trade yesterday, we had our target hit on both platforms, on Wanda, on capital.com as well. I'm going to go through capital.com in a moment, but I'm going to start with Wanda here. I didn't take this trade yesterday. Now I can see good entry region. If you see, the market has been oversold as well right here. Looking at that, we are getting an engulfing candle in our selling zone, and this zone is, by the way, from 4.770 goes up to 4.996. So we are getting this entry pattern within this zone. And normally I would like a close at least below here, which is 4.790. That would be an awesome entry. But if we get a close of this candle above this green candle, then we do not have an entry condition. In that case, it might move up again and we get an entry in this area. If we have a break of this area, then we can see further moves up. But this is our selling zone and we are getting this entry condition. If we have a close below here, then we might see a move down because we have this oversold situation as well. By the way, I have my RSI set to 7 due to a strategy I use for my trading, which I'm also putting in my upcoming trading course. So don't worry about that at this moment. According to that, the RSI is oversold. And if we have an entry candle, we will go for a short trade. So let's check on capital.com. On capital.com, if you see, we have the selling zone and we have this 382 candle. It is a valid 382 candle. Why is that? Because our Fibonacci tool is telling us we have a valid 382 candle. We have a strategy using 382 candle as well, which you will find in my course with all the objective rules. But right now, this is a valid 382 candle according to Fibonacci. This is the candle before that is invalid 382 candle, so that would be an invalid 382 candle. But we have a valid 382 candle right here showing us the bearish pressure. Okay, so looking at that, we have this bearish candle. So I normally set up my sell stop order if I'm taking the 382 entry. If I'm taking an entry using hammer candle or using 382 candle. So with that, I normally set up my sell stop order below the entry candle. So if the order is executed, it will execute from this zone right here. So let's see how it pans out. Let's see how it pans out on Wanda, so we can keep an eye on both entries. Let's check gold quickly. Okay, so as per my previous video, expect a further move up to this pink zone. From here, I will look for short trades. After our take profit hit yesterday, the market reaches the resistance zone, and as expected, the market moved down. We can see we had this 382 candle. Let me show you if it's a valid or not. My Fibonacci tool, I need to double check it. It is definitely a valid 382 candle, and that was a bearish pressure for sure. I still expect a gold to hit at least 50 EMA, which is at 1908. We can still expect some move down from gold, from where I will look for next bearish or bullish confirmation. Let's check silver. So what a move we got here. If you have been following me from last couple of months, then you know we look for this sort of pattern, and this is a nice selling condition. Looking at this bearish pressure and bearish entry pattern, that's a perfect entry for silver. So looking at that, I still expect some move down from silver. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is now at the daily level of resistance, and we still do not get any sort of entry pattern. Yes, we are getting this entry, but if we have a close at 108.12, then I expect a move down to 102. But if we do not get a close here, then we can still expect a move up in this green zone, which is 113, goes down to 110. From this green zone, I will look for sell trade, either engulfer or double top move. So that's all for commodity market, guys. If you have any questions, you can buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. And if you want to learn how I mark these zones, you can join one of my partner brokers. Links are in the description. Once you join it, I will add you there and start sending you weekly Forex reports. So that's all for now, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.